Hello everyone. So today we have a problem statement from the ELEATION of the model this one. This is a car seat, a racing car seat you can say, and we have some specifications and constraints mentioned here. So let's start drawing this. If we want to draw this, we have to draw it in a three stage. The other method for solving this is using the wireframe, but here I am going to use only part design for the complete drawing of the model. I am doing this for the beginners only. So let's me show you how can we do this with only part design. So if we have a model of this, yeah. So if we have to start from here, drawing this sketch first, and moving on to the second sketch this, and third sketch this. So let's start from this. I will draw the sketch from this vertex. I'm taking this as a plane, complete this, and make the sketch paired from both the side, this side and this side. Let's start with the part design. So uh, let's do the sketching on Z Y axis. Open the sketcher, start drawing this. So it's 345, then 80, and so on. So let's take the line starting from 00 to somewhat over here, make it a constraint of 345. It's 345, and zoom out. Now take a 3-point arc and put this point somewhere here, make it a tangent. I will be making the complete sketch on the tangent method. So another sketch from the same point, making it tangent up to here, putting the point, placing it somewhat here, and another arc, making it tangent, another line, complete tangent. Now putting this as a vertical line. This is the headrest of the seat. This is the headrest of the seat. So you can see it's the headrest of the seat. Now, and again, taking the 3-point R somewhat here, making it tangent, a line, making a tangent, and complete over here. So let's start defining the constraints and dimensions. So this one was 80, this one was 120, and another constraint which I need to draw from this to this, the total height of the seat. The total height of the seat is 860. 860. Yeah. Now this one, let's make it 800. This one, it's 120, and this one is 150. Oh, sorry, 150. Now we have continuous three arcs which of radius 110, 90, and 100, and another. So let's took the same point somewhere over here, make it a tangent and go on. Take the point, nope, not that point, this point, somewhere here, make it tangent, another arc, somewhere here, make it tangent, and take another somewhere here, making it a tangent. So let's now define this. Double click. This is uh, so it's 110, 90, and 100. So this is 110, 90, and 100, and this is 650. Yeah, and we have the from this circle, the arc of the circle has a center. The center has a distance of 240 and 450 from each side. So let's define there. This means 100. Yeah, this one has a 450 from the downward, and this has 240 from here. Now we have much constrained objects. Yeah. Let's define this as a vertical. Yeah, okay. Now pick this point, pull it up somewhat here, and let's start drawing the other sketches. That is of 30 radius arc. Pick the point somewhere here, make it a tangent, and go. So this has a constraint from here of 90, and this has a 30, and we have from the point, from this arc point, we were 600 distance from the seat headrest. So taking the headrest and taking this point, putting it as 600, and we go. Now another arc of 270 and 50. Pick the point somewhere here, make it tangent, and leave it. Take the point over here, another this one, make the tangent over here. Let's constrain them. So constrain this as 50, constrain this as 270. Yeah, just pick this 2 point and go to constraint definitions and make them tangent. So our complete drawing, our first sketch is completely ready. All the points have been defined now. Okay, let's go to here. Here you can see this point does not coincide with each other. So just let choose this 2 point and make them a coincide. Now move to the padding tool. Yeah, we do not see any black dots, so that our drawing is completed and have no open constraints. Now just we need to pad this up, padding this both the side, taking it as a 400, taking the sketch, and here we go. Yeah, so now just take a offset from this axis to reverse direction approx 200, and here we go. Start sketching this axis, hide the body, and we will be sketching this one. So it's 860 from top to bottom. Just let me make a 860 line. I made this one as a reference line so that I could copy it down. I will draw the one side of the object and I'll mirror it down to the other side. And let me define its constraint. It's 860. Sorry, 860. This one is 100. This one is half of 340, 350. Half of 350 is 175. And go. This is 100. And go. Let's start drawing. Arc, angle, arc, length means arc, line, arc. So make it arc. Then take a line, tangent, put the line over here, another arc, another arc, and another arc. Yeah, so let's start defining them. So this is of 90, this is a 60, this is 150. Okay, 150, and I think the problem is this one. This line is constrained with this, so I think I should delete this one and draw the another one. It's tangent with the downward, and now it's good. And let's make them tangent and make this as of 200. Sorry, it's 200 and 150 and 140, 450, I think so. Yeah, 450. Now just pull this point up to here, and we have a 530 from this one. So let's define this constraint. This is 530, and we have 560 from both the sides. So half of 560 is 280. So this line and this one. So this is 280. This one is 450. Now start drawing from downward. Arc and angle with tangent. And the line of 315 has a 93.5 degree angle. So let's constrain this. It's 315. This one is 30, and this line as a angle making to this as 93.5 degree. So we got this, and just drag this up, join these 2 points as coincide. Yeah, now one side of the image is completed. Drag the image completely, press Ctrl, leave this reference line and mirror the, then take this reference as a mirror tool and mirror reference and just make this. Now we have completed the sketch and move to the further. So you can see if I pocket this up now, then the body will be pocketing the of inside, but I need to pocket it outside. So I need to create a border on the same sketch. So just take any rectangle you want and place it like this and move on. Now if I pocket it, it will be pocketing the inside area up to last this dimension, this one, and go. So you can see we have a complete pocket of this area. Now just shell this up and see what's the thing will left over here. Let's make it a shell, and from this option, so here we are getting a problem that it's taking the complete edge tangent, because we have made a tangent to all the lines and curves. So it's taking a complete to shell up. If I shell this up, it will remove the everybody, but I do not want that. So let's re-edit the sketch somewhat. Go to sketcher, make, let's make a square from this point to here, and make this two lines as a reference line, and make this one to coincide with this tangent. Yeah, and let's see the downward. Go to here, take this option and make something like this, and make something like this, and make this line as a reference line and coincide this 2 point, and we are ready to go again. So here we have drawn the sketch. Now let's start shelling this up. Use the cell. Now it's shelling the area. Now you can see it has shelled the only the inside area. Now let's define is as 50. Yeah, it we got the shell completely. I think there is a problem on sketch. Do we have? Not this one. This first sketch. Show. Go to here. Yeah, we get a problem that this is actually a 25 line of 175, and we are ready to go. Oops. We have added it's complete, and hide the sketch, shell it up 50. Yeah, here we go, we got the complete body. Now we need to draw the another sketch on the same axis. Let's hide the body and show the sketch. So I can just copy it down, and I need to draw this sketch now. The inside of the body, just take line somewhere here, no, not the straight line from the bottom, take an arc, make it a tangent, again take a line, taking it a tangent, again take a arc somewhere here as a tangent, take a line with a tangent, and take the arc somewhat this one, just here, controls, so not this line as this to this, controls and yeah, and place this line as a vertical. Now just let me double click on the constraint and start coinciding these points, this one, this one, this two, and we need to coincide this point, but let it be, and just coincide this two lines and make this as a tangent. Now take another line, make them tangent. This is actually a 25. Coincide these points. Delete this because I have already coincided that. Now we are going to draw. Okay, so okay, the tangent is not here. The tangent is actually here. Okay, now from this tool we have a 500 and 700, 300 arcs. So let's start drawing the arc. This one as a 500, making it tangent. This one as a 700, making it tangent. Yep. Again taking the from here to somewhere here as a 300. Now let's define the points. This is 500. Pull this point up. Define this line as of 150. This is a 700. Just need to pull this point up. Yeah. And this is 300. Now let's start drawing from here downward. So this is a 30, degree 30 radius. So let's draw somewhere here. No. Now give this as a 30. This point this point has a 670 from the back of the seat, so I will make this point and make this as 670. It's 670. Now I need to draw this one radius arc from here to somewhere here, making it no, it's not going to happen like this. So I'll pull this point backward, take this point up to here, make it tangent, take a line tangent to it, place it here, take another arc somewhere here as a tangent, take another arc taking this point somewhere here and make tangent, pick this point up and place it over here. Now just make this two as like this. Now I need to define the constraints. So double click on constraint. This is actually a 13 radius, a 13 degree. This is 160. This is 150. Okay, this one is, let's take it as 50, and this is as 20. Now just make this two arcs as tangent and from here we'll draw a line somewhere as a vertical over here and define this line as a reference line. So from this reference line and this point has a distance of 32. This point has a distance from here as 130. It's 132. Enter, and this is 30 actually. This one is 30, and this point did not join together, so we'll just pick this point and go inside the points. Now here we have to join this and make this might be a tangent, but okay, so we'll just delete this one. Now it's tangent to here. I'll make this tangent to and define this as a 20. So our body is completed. Now we just need to hide. Let me just hide this. Now one more plane. Yeah, now just need to apply some of the fine edges, means fillet to the edges. Now I'll choose a mirror, go, pocket this up by selecting this unhide up to the last, go, okay, give applicability to sketches, this, one, this, maybe good to do. Now to write a name over here, just go to the drafting and just choose software, insert link, write whatever you want. I think I should write CAD. Now if you took this body and copy this point, copy this text and move to the drawing, it will not come up as you want. Just you need to save as this file, drawing to in the TXF format, save this. Now close this, reopen the file. Now you can see this has click there. Now here, copy it down, just the window, and you have to paste where you paste this go to Catia Tools, Control C or directly to sort space. Now zoom in, zoom fit, take the complete body, drag and drop to the desired location. As you can see, the object is the letters are quite bigger. Just scale it down to this. After scaling, you need to delete the other body. So from 10, pressing control, using this, and delete. Now we left with this only, drag and drop at the desired location, and exit the schedule. Now pad this for 1 concept. You can also give the property like graphics to black. By this one, I will also give them complete for the color blue, and so here we go. We got a complete as body as we wanted from the sketch. This one, this here, we got a complete same body. Thank you for watching. some DFX drawing from downloading it from the browser and paste it like that in the place you want and just pad it up. Reverse direction and pad. You can change the properties too. Let me do it as a black one. Now we have a Spider-Man chairs or a Spider-Man car seat.